All right guys, so today we're trying something a bit new. We don't have any POV drives on this channel. This is actually what I used to do mainly for YouTube, so I'm kind of excited to get back to doing some POV stuff. But since I've been driving the Dark Horse more, I found out a couple nice things about it. I want to redo some 60 to 130 times, so we will be going on the highway later in this video. But mainly at the start, first thing that I want to do is take it to some twisty roads and just kind of talk about the car. Obviously, if you guys have been following my page for a little bit, you guys know that I did just pick up a F82 M4 as well. And since I've got that car, I've actually noticed a little bit more about the Dark Horse. One of the main things being that I did discover is the suspension on this car. I mean, I said it when I got this car that I was glad that I didn't go with the handling pack. And after driving the M4, that is even more true now, because this thing definitely rides a little bit rougher than the M4 does, even in its like most comfortable setting. And if you put it in sport mode, which is one of the main things that I'm going to be talking about in this video, is yeah, it rides a little bit rougher. Not too rough like track mode does, but sport definitely is a little bit rougher. But the M4 cannot compete in that department, man. This Coyote just sounds absolutely amazing. I didn't even realize that this lane is going to end up here, so we're going to have to get out in front of these people pretty quick. That's all right, though. Yeah, like I said, I've been driving this thing a bit more and feel a lot more confident in this car now. I've gotten it out for some pretty spirited drives quite a few times, and yeah, as you guys can tell, I can get the tires to squirrel in this thing now. Before I was having a problem doing that. But in sport mode, man, this thing just really wakes up. Track mode is not the way to drive this thing on the street. If you guys do have a 2024 Mustang, especially the Dark Horse, I will say, if you guys do drive it in track mode on the street, and you feel like it's maybe missing a little bit of spirit, missing a little bit of that torque and high-end power, try sport mode instead of track mode. Track mode, I feel like, limits the car quite a bit. Now, right now we do have traction control on just because I don't really feel like turning it off as of right now. But yeah, man, this thing is a lot of fun. And the downshifts are just buttery smooth too in this thing. Let's get some downshifts around this corner here. Stay right in the power band. This thing just handles, man. It just grips. We get a little second through third here. Jeez, dude, this thing is a blast. I will say that naturally aspirated power compared to the M4, I mean, it is just simply different, man. Oh my God. This car is just so much fun, man. And yes, I could push it around these curves a little bit more, but it did rain earlier today, so I'm not 100% trusting the roads. let's go ahead and get this thing on a highway and get this new 60 to 130 time. I think that I've improved my driving in this car a little bit at least, so we're gonna give it a go. Beautiful views there. Go ahead and get this traction control off now. I think we're all right for today. I think we're good. Yeah, you can definitely tell when traction control is off because it doesn't chirp as much into third. It actually chirps more with traction control on, which is a little bit interesting. But yeah, this thing just handles corners like it's like there's no other, man. Oh, that backfire was so perfect. There we go, right around the corner here. This thing is just so fun. All right, it is 60 to 130 time, so let's get these windows rolled up and what the heck is going on with my window over there? There we go. All right, well, here we go. 5th, 4th, 3rd. On power. And we ran out of room. All right. We'll give it another shot. All right, this should be plenty of room. Here we go. On power. There's 130. I'm excited to see what time that got. Well, apparently we got a 12.27, which isn't terrible, but it's not the best. I think I'm gonna try to get one on the way back and start in 4th this time, just because I feel like that shift is really hurting my time, like, terribly. What is this guy doing? What is going on? Dude is driving in the middle of the highway. Man, dude, I cannot seem to get good 60 to 130 times in this car. And it really might honestly be my shifting that is the problem. This thing sounds good either way, though. Oh, there's a perfect spot right on the highway right now. Okay, let's get this thing up to speed, get these windows closed. We're going at it right here. All right, let's start at 55. All right, here we go. I feel like the shifting is the issue, dude, but I don't know. now there's no excuses. Let's see what that ran. Yeah, okay, that was a 13.45, so we definitely need to start in third gear. All right, we are giving it one last try, starting in third, and then we are done, man, because I just cannot get a good time. We'll start from 55, and here we go. Dude, I could not possibly shift any better. That's gotta be it. That's gotta be PB. I could not possibly shift any better. 12.19. I think that might be my PB. I really, really, really want to get into the 11s, man, but I can't seem to do it. What is pulling up next to us right now? Is this a GR Yaris or whatever that thing's called? Yeah, it is. What is going on? Dude is flying. Dude is flying. What is going on? Dude, man, he's got like 3 people in the car with him too. That's funny. I always run into cool people, cool cars in this road in Mexico, man. Favorite spot of Mexico right here. Cool dude, man. Cool dude. But that is not where the Mustang is meant to shine. The Mustang is really meant for cornering. So let's do a little bit of cornering. 60 to 130 time, that might be my PB. I'm gonna have to check after this. I've done another video on my channel that I was trying to do 60 to 130 times, but I don't think that I ever got that quick. I think those ones were in the 13s for each of them. But in the back roads, man, that's where this thing shines. The downshifts are just perfect, man. The 5.0 just sounds so good. Like, dude, the 5.0 echoing off the trees cannot be beaten. It cannot be beaten. There's not many cars that can perform like that, man. There's just not. There is just not. So, if you guys enjoyed this POV video and you guys want more POVs of the Dark Horse or the M4 or my S4, definitely let me know in the comments. If you guys are new, drop a sub and definitely drop a like if you guys liked it. See you guys in the next one.